Hey, we're going out tonight. Yes, it's already tonight because it's already 5:59. Am I right? But still, it looks like daylight pa rin.
I forgot my earrings.
O sige, kwasa. As you guys can see, Jonah is full glam. Because
Fucking 5 p.m.
we're heading to Terminal 21 and then we're trying a rooftop bar tonight. So that's gonna be pretty exciting. And we're going to meet our classmate, college classmate in Terminal 21. So that should be pretty exciting too. But yeah, let's see where this day takes us. It's August 28, 2025. Ay, lagi. Nice yan na brand.
30. 80.
Ay, di may naman nagsayam, no?
Bilit na. So,
50.
80, 50. Problema po if mo ulit matutaw niya na ano, before 12. So, magana na siguro ta?
Single day?
Hindi, mag-ano lang siya.
Ay, sige. Dora lang.
Lang man. No. Do you think, Kev? Wala makatalatuan?
Wala man.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sayang po. Anyway, kung kanina itong gamiton, nata sa mga 130 siguro. Pero fix ang atong lakaw. Akong 150 ta.
Anyway, barato raman. Mato tag mas kasa.
Sige. Ano ako? Cash na ako kaya.
Sige. Nako. Ja.
Celebrate, hindi ka karoon, no?
Celebrate ko, Jo. Charot. So, magpili ka lang kung saan ka. Tapos, how many, then dyan ang card fare. Then you insert the money. And then, ayan na. Lalabas na siya dyan. Now we're in.
To open this card in accordance with terms of use, please cooperate by presenting proof of identity to make a discount in match. A fine from exceeding 20 times the maximum fee will be imposed.
A few moments later.
So we're already here at Terminal 21. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Laglag.
Iba ka ng jobless ka, pero nakapagod ka. Nakakit ka ba? Wala ka ka,
So we met with Heidi, my college classmate. So we're here at Pier 21 man eh. Pier 21. Terminal 21 food court here at 5th level of Terminal 21. So I'm looking for masaman curry. Let's see if we can find one. So this is my second time to go here. The first time I ordered pad thai and then tom yum. So now we're trying a different one. Excuse me. May mga biryani, guys. Biryani. I don't want a biryani. Gusto ko yung chicken na masaman. Jonas recommended. But let's find one. Hayanese chicken, guys. 32. Maybe we can try that. Vegetarian. Diba? 3 vegetarian Thai food. Maybe we'll try the 2 vegetarian courses with rice. I'm gonna eat rice. Number 3. So let's see. 3. Yan. Kasi tapos 3 ulam tapos saka rice. Vegetarian.
May balik sa pagkatigan.
Gusto lang ko mag-try. Try natin yan. Sana hindi siya maanghang. Pero vegetarian. Ito siya. You're here, when you're dining here at Pier 21, you need first to make sure that you have this card. So in order to get this card, you have to top up. So there's like a cashier there that you're going to get this, reload this, sort of like a load. So this is you're going to use to pay at the cashier. You need so that you can buy your food at the stalls. So yeah, so let's find a new one. Let's find, should I get maybe that Thai omelette with rice and curry, egg noodle, crab. Maybe we'll try the crab wonton. Let's try. Number one. One with soup.
Number one on noodle, okay? Only one half.
Okay.
One noodle.
No noodle.
Number one, number two, non-noodle. Number 15, number 15.
How about number 4 with noodle?
Number 4, yummy noodle.
Yeah.
With soup.
Yes. So I've ordered this egg noodle with crab and barbecue red with soup. Then for you to pay, you need to just stop there. Egg noodle. Kung nakakain na. Should I add it? Ayan guys, so this is what I've ordered. So sa vegetarian stall siya. 3 vegetarian dishes with 1 rice, and then this is egg noodle with crab meat and pork, red pork. I think this costs 40 baht, and then this one is around 40 as well, so 80 I think. So I still have 70 on my card. So yeah, dami na, diba? Amazing. Let us eat. Saan na sila?
Ano ba o? May puso na o. Mag-order sa ako. Dali na ako. Ay, pag na magkaon. Eh, dili pa ako mag-ano. Sabi meal. Kana ato yung puso. Wala ka na sabay sila. Okay, rin sila. Tingnan ako sila. Eh, ako na.
Sure ka?
Bukat.
Ayan na guys, let's eat. Halang siya. Kaliwang halang. Pero carry lang yung kahalang. Let's try the other dishes. Ano siya ginisang pechay. This one. Sarap. This one, parang siyang, I don't know what kind of vegetable this is, but it's interesting. Kalami siya. In fairness. So that's the tok-tok. So we are currently here at bus stop near Times Square building. So there's the Times Square building, and then there's it's in front across the Terminal 21. So we're just waiting for the bus number 2. Tama ba? Bus number 2. We're going to the Sanam Luang because we're heading to Khao San Road.
Itong iingon yung gatong information sa Pilipinas.
So we're here na Khao San Road.
Yeah, oh. Sorry, sabi ko, istorya ko nito. I thought
This is their
you
hotel.
were talking to me.
That's the monument. Democracy daw. Monument. We're here at Pani Hotel. Pani Hotel. I think this is Oyo Hotel near the Khao San Road. Wait muna kami sa mga kasama namin. That's the Democracy Monument. Democracy Monument.
Ba't ka nila magtulog na?
Ay, namin makdodre doon. Ay,
Sabat kaya? Ay, bita ka.
No money. Ano ka sa driver? Saan na mag-tour? Tingnan ako siya nga, suway ba? May mitang ka. Papalang ko. Pero ka lang. Wala ko
Tuwa ba yan ang suway?
Suway.
Suway means beautiful. Suway means bad. Something bad.
Suway mak.
Suway mak.
Suway mak.
Suway mak.
Kaya yan.
Suway mak.
Suway mak. Pag suway, nakatong suway na low tone lang siya.
Suway.
Suway mak.
Thailand! Sobaporn! Balisarn! Gabi. bike. Na. Tingit-tingit dun na.
South of Kausan Road.
Maraming akwa.
Yeah. Welcome myself.
Sure akwa.
Welcome myself to Kausan Road.
Kasi mo tanim mo. Muna na siyang push.
Yeah.
Muna siyang push.
Ah, oh.
Na 100.
Ilang para kami na mas pagkasakit ko ba? Weed man. I wanna talk to you.
Yawa na eh.
What can you say?
MTS.
Pero ano pa ni, wala pa kayo taon eh. Normally magkataon eh, mga 11, 12, ano. Nagkana kayo taon.
Katawagan ni Dire.
I don't know. The one, ayun o, the one.
So this is the not so loud. The lax, chill lang din na area na place, na street compared sa katong isa. Mao jud tong isa pang party. Diri kay pang acoustic.
Chill lang,
Chill lang diri na side. And nice then there. Chicken kebab. Okay.
Basta manin mo.
Same as la media.
Kanina man ako natila one roti with banana plus Nutella.
Okay ka na.
The other. Go, Manikem.
Roti with banana and Nutella. So, kaya lang i-fry ang kaning roti. Roti yung tawag kaning wrapper. Kasi isulod niya ang banana. And then, bundangan Nutella. And I think condensed. So, let's try. First shot. Kami siya. One. Pang snacks. Great snacks.
Aroy ma. Aroy ma. Kasi aroy ma. Aroy ma.
Aroy Mac.
Aroy mak ma.
Aroy Mac. Masyag lumpia na naikuan sagi.
Lumpia.
Ika ng wrapper niya ba? Tapos gibot ang
Turun
Nutella.
siguro.
Turo na. Sarap. Very buttery.
Battery.
Yeah.
Let's do it.